like it's called Zini portable washer. So you get this bucket. This is your spin bucket. You get your water hose, and you get this. So I just did a load, and I actually just rinsed it out. So let me see. All I did was wash like my daughter's receiving blankets, which is nice and dry actually. Still a little bit wet, but I feel like to me it could be a little bit drier. So I may have to dry it longer because I only did 3 minutes in here, just because I thought 3 minutes would be enough. So with this top, you gotta push this down. Okay. Not too bad.